Good evening and welcome to the annual day celebration of St. Xavier School, Messana. As Aristotle wisely said, the roots of education are bitter, but the fruit is sweet. This evening, we celebrate the hard work, talent, and dreams that shape our students. Every performance, every note reflects the dedication that has brought us here. The upcoming report presents the events held in our school, showcasing the achievements that makes us proud. It's not just about academic and artistic excellence, but about coming together as a community to embrace the future with hope. Let's enjoy this memorable evening of creativity, joy, inspiration. Now, I invite the students from English as well as Gujarati medium to come forward to present the annual report.
Teachers Orientation Program. On 11th June 2024, we held an inspiring Teachers Orientation Program with Mr. Victor Christie and Mrs. Jyotsna Christie. Their invaluable insights and extensive experiences provided our teachers with fresh perspectives and innovative teaching strategies. The session equipped them with the tools to enhance their instructional methods and foster a dynamic learning environment for the students.
દર વર્ષની જેમ 12મી જૂન 2024ના રોજ ગુજરાતી અને અંગ્રેજી મીડિયમના આચાર્યશ્રી સાથે શિક્ષકોની સામાન્ય સભા યોજાઈ હતી. સારી રીતે તૈયાર કરેલા પીપીટી દ્વારા તમામ શિક્ષકોને સમગ્ર શૈક્ષણિક વર્ષ દરમિયાન યોજનાર વિવિધ પ્રવૃત્તિઓ, પરીક્ષાઓ અને કાર્યક્રમોની માહિતી આપવામાં આવી હતી.
એક્ઝામિનેશન વર્ષ દરમિયાન વિદ્યાર્થીઓ માટે વર્ગ કસોટીઓ, એકમ કસોટીઓ, સત્રાંત પરીક્ષા અને વિવિધ મૂલ્યાંકનો કરવામાં આવે છે. સમયાંતરે તેમની પ્રગતિની જાણ વાલીશ્રીઓને પેરેન્ટ્સ ટીચર મીટિંગ દ્વારા કરવામાં આવે છે. વિદ્યાર્થીઓ અને શિક્ષકો દ્વારા આંતરિક મૂલ્યાંકનના ભાગરૂપે વિષયને અનુરૂપ વિવિધ પ્રાયોગિક પ્રવૃત્તિઓ કરવામાં આવે છે.
Infrastructures and facilities. St. Xavier School Messana ensures a clean, safe and well-equipped environment for our students. The key facilities include well-maintained school buildings with green lawns, modern classrooms with computers and projectors, fully equipped science labs for physics, chemistry and biology, a well-stocked library with textbooks and reference materials, sports playgrounds and facilities, computer lab with reliable equipment and electricity, versatile halls for various activities, access to clean drinking water and well-maintained toilets.
Celebrations. The following events were celebrated in order to instill faith, love, sense of respect and integrity to embrace culture, country and religion. Newcomers Day. On 15 June 2024, our school warmly welcomed new students, teachers and staff, offering a cultural program and fostering a sense of belonging for everyone.
યોગ દિનની ઉજવણી 21મી જૂન 2024ના રોજ યોગ દ્વારા શારીરિક, માનસિક અને આધ્યાત્મિક સુખાકારીને પ્રોત્સાહિત કરવા માટે સ્વાસ્થ્ય અને સર્વાંગીક વિકાસની પ્રવૃત્તિઓ પર ભાર મૂકવામાં આવે છે.
Invest Teacher Ceremony, which was held on 29 June 2024. New student leaders were appointed to guide and serve the school community, marking an important moment for the leadership development.
ગુરુ પૂર્ણિમાની ઉજવણી 22મી જુલાઈ 2024ના રોજ શાળાના બધા જ ગુરુજનોને તિલક અને પુષ્પ આપી સન્માનિત કરી તેમને શ્રેષ્ઠ ગુરુ તરીકે બિરદાવવામાં આવ્યા.
Plantation Day on 27 July 2023. Students, led by the principal and manager, planted saplings around the campus to promote environmental sustainability and raise awareness about the importance of trees.
સ્વાતંત્ર્ય દિનની ઉજવણી 15મી ઓગસ્ટ 2024ના રોજ શાળામાં 78મા સ્વાતંત્ર્ય દિનની ઉજવણી દેશભક્તિ ગીત અને ડાન્સ દ્વારા કરવામાં આવી. તેમજ વિદ્યાર્થીઓને વિવિધ સ્પર્ધાઓના ઇનામ આપી બિરદાવવામાં આવ્યા અને વીર શહીદોને યાદ કરીને તેમને શ્રદ્ધાંજલિ આપવામાં આવી.
Raksha Bandhan celebration. On 17th August 2024, siblings at our school tied Rakhish to their brothers, celebrating the sacred bond of love and affection.
Navratri celebration. On 5th October 2024, we celebrated the festival in traditional attire and participated in an exciting inter-house Garba competition, showcasing our energy and cultural spirit.
દિવાળીની ઉજવણી 24મી ઓક્ટોબર 2024ના રોજ વિદ્યાર્થીઓએ દીપ સજાવટ અને રંગોળી બનાવવાની સર્જનાત્મક જેવી સ્પર્ધાઓમાં ભાગ લઈ અંધકાર પર પ્રકાશના વિજયના પર્વની ધામધૂમથી ઉજવણી કરી.
Children's Day. On 23rd November 2024, teachers entertain students with their lively performances, celebrating the children who are at the heart of the school community.
વાર્ષિક રમતોત્સવનું આયોજન દર વર્ષે 3 ડિસેમ્બર સંત ફ્રાન્સિસ ઝેવિયરના તહેવાર નિમિત્તે શાળામાં 31મો વાર્ષિક રમતોત્સવનું આયોજન કરવામાં આવ્યું હતું, જેમાં મુખ્ય મહેમાન તરીકે મહેસાણાના પ્રિયા સાહેબ શ્રી જીતેન્દ્રભાઈ સોલંકીને આમંત્રિત કરવામાં આવ્યા હતા. તેમને સન્મુખ અહલાવાદ અને અતિરમ્ય માર્ગપાસ સાથે વિવિધ વ્યક્તિગત અને સાંઘિક રમતોનું આયોજન કરવામાં આવ્યું.
Christmas celebration. On 23rd December 2024, our school celebrated Christmas with a focus on the spirit of giving. Students and teachers generously contributed arts, and the primary section presented a program which reflected the life of Jesus Christ. Republic Day, 26th January 2025. The Republic Day was celebrated with a flag hosting ceremony, patriotic songs and speeches emphasizing democracy, justice and the role of education in shaping the nation.
વિદાય સમારંભ 11મી ફેબ્રુઆરી 2025ના રોજ અમારી શાળામાં ધોરણ 10 અને 12ના વિદ્યાર્થીઓને હૃદયપૂર્વક વિદાય આપી, જેમાં સાંસ્કૃતિક કાર્યક્રમ અને ગુરુજનોના આશીર્વાદ દ્વારા તેમને શુભેચ્છાઓ પાઠવવામાં આવી.
Competitions. St. Xavier School Mehsana emphasizes holistic development of the students through a wide range of extracurricular activities and competitions. These events help students showcase their talents and foster creativity, leadership and teamwork. On 8th August 2024, flag making and elocution competitions were held. On 9th August 2024, patriotic song, essay writing and fancy dress competitions were organized. On 16th August 2024, Rakhi and card making competitions took place. On 14th September 2024, Diwali themed activities including drawing, pot making and bouquet making competitions were organized. On 24th October 2024, Diya and Rangoli making competitions were held. On 19th December 2024, Carol singing competition was organized. On 20th and 21st December 2024, greeting card making, tree and star making and classroom decoration competitions took place. These activities nurture creativity, cultural appreciation and essential life skills for students.
On 27th July 2024, a seminar was held for the parents of 10th standard students to discuss the marking system, academic progress and upcoming board exams. A similar seminar for the parents of 9th standard students was conducted on 3rd August 2024, covering the marking system and preparations for the next academic year. 1st October 2024 saw a health and hygiene seminar for 9 to 12 standard girls conducted by Miss Binu Rao and her team from the Rotary Club, focusing on personal well-being and hygiene practices. On 26th October 2024, a seminar was held for the teachers of both mediums on the theme Spark. The session was conducted by Reverend Father Harold Pinto, aimed at igniting the inner spark in every teacher to create meaningful changes in the lives of students. Lastly, on 16 January 2025, Reverend Father Jayaraj conducted a seminar for 10th standard students, both English and Gujarati medium, on study skill and personality development.
Exhibition. On 27 September 2024, Sandeepni Shala Vikas Sankul hosted a vibrant science exhibition at Sri Param Madhyamik Shala. 10th standard Gujarati medium students showcased best of two models, while 9th and 11th grade English medium students presented 3. Under the guidance of Shankar sir, Mini ma'am and Amreen ma'am, the students displayed their scientific creativity and problem-solving skills, impressing the audience with their hard work and innovative models.
રમતગમત ક્ષેત્રે મેળવેલ સિદ્ધિઓ 14મા ફ્રેન્ડશીપ રમતોત્સવનું ભવ્ય આયોજન સેન્ટ ઝેવિયર સ્કૂલ હિંમતનગર મુકામે કરવામાં આવ્યું હતું. તેમાં સેન્ટ ઝેવિયર સ્કૂલ મહેસાણાના 20 બાળકોએ પરેડમાં બેસ્ટ પ્રદર્શન કરીને દ્વિતીય નંબર પ્રાપ્ત કરી ટ્રોફી મેળવેલ છે. ચાલુ સાલે શાળાકીય રમતોત્સવમાં તાલુકા કક્ષાએ 21 વિદ્યાર્થીઓ, જિલ્લા કક્ષાએ 22 વિદ્યાર્થીઓ વિજેતા બન્યા હતા. તેમજ રાજ્ય કક્ષાએ ચેસ, બેડમિન્ટન, કુસ્તી, ટેકવાન્ડો, સ્વિમિંગ, સ્કેટિંગ જેવી રમતોમાં 10 વિદ્યાર્થીઓએ ભાગ લીધો હતો. ખેલ મહાકુંભ 2024-25માં તાલુકા કક્ષાએ 25 બાળકો અને જિલ્લા કક્ષાએ 17 બાળકો વિજેતા બન્યા હતા. તેમાંથી 16 બાળકો રાજ્ય કક્ષાએ ભાગ લેવા જઈ રહ્યા છે. શાળામાં જ તૈયાર થયેલા વિદ્યાર્થીઓએ ખેલ મહાકુંભમાં તાલુકા અને જિલ્લા કક્ષાએ વિજેતા બની કુલ 1,27,000 રૂપિયાનું રોકડ ઇનામ પ્રાપ્ત કરી પોતાનું અને શાળાનું ગૌરવ વધારેલ છે. ખેલ મહાકુંભ 2023-24માં તાલુકા કક્ષાએ ચેસ અને એથ્લેટિક્સ જેવી રમતોમાં 22 વિદ્યાર્થીઓ વિજેતા બન્યા હતા, જેમાં 10 ગોલ્ડ, 10 સિલ્વર અને 2 બ્રોન્ઝ મેળવીને મહેસાણા તાલુકામાં 15,000 રૂપિયાનો દ્વિતીય શ્રેષ્ઠ શાળા તરીકેનો પુરસ્કાર મેળવેલ છે. ધી એસોસિએશન ફોર ટ્રેડિશનલ યુથ ગેમ્સ સ્પોર્ટ્સ ગુજરાત સરકાર દ્વારા ઓપન એથ્લેટિક્સ ચેમ્પિયનશિપમાં સીધા રાજ્ય કક્ષાએ સેન્ટ ઝેવિયર શાળાને 10 ગોલ્ડ, 9 સિલ્વર અને 12 બ્રોન્ઝ પ્રાપ્ત થતાં શાળાને સન્માનિત ટ્રોફી આપવામાં આવી હતી. ચિલ્ડ્રન રિસર્ચ યુનિવર્સિટી ગાંધીનગર દ્વારા રાજ્ય કક્ષાએ ચેસ સ્પર્ધાનું આયોજન કરવામાં આવ્યું હતું. તેમાં સેન્ટ ઝેવિયર શાળાના 43 વિદ્યાર્થીઓએ ભાગ લેવા બદલ શાળાને 25,000 રૂપિયાનો રોકડ પુરસ્કાર પ્રાપ્ત થયો હતો. તેમાં 3 વિદ્યાર્થીઓએ રાજ્ય કક્ષાએ વિજેતા બની 2,200 રૂપિયાનું ઇનામ પ્રાપ્ત કરેલ છે.
New ventures. Inauguration of new administration block. St. Xavier School is proud to announce the inauguration of its new administration block on 29th March 2025. This addition marks a significant milestone in the school's growth, enhancing its administrative capabilities and providing a more efficient and comfortable environment for students, teachers and parents. Introduction of ICSE board. St. Xavier School Mehsana is excited to introduce the ICSE board starting in the upcoming academic year. This step reflects the school commitment to offering a diverse, high-quality education. With the ICSE curriculum, students will receive an internationally recognized education focused on holistic development, academic excellence, and critical thinking, ensuring that they are well prepared for the future success.
In conclusion, this year has been one of growth, progress, and continued dedication to excellence. We have seen significant achievements across various areas, including academics, extracurricular activities, and infrastructure development. These accomplishments are a testament to the hard work and commitment of our students, teachers, staff, and the support of our parent community. As we move forward, we remain focused on maintaining high standards and creating an environment where every student can achieve their full potential. We look forward to another year of success, learning, and development. Thank you for your continued support and trust in our vision and mission.
Thank you, Father, for your leadership, dedication, vision, and commitment to guide all of us towards excellence.
Life is not just black and white, it is filled with shades of happiness, sorrow, hope, and love. Life is a beautiful canvas painted with the vibrant colors of emotions, experiences, and dreams.
Today, we bring to you a mesmerizing dance drama, The Colors of Life, a performance that beautifully captures the essence of life through magic of colors.
From the fiery red of passion,
To the calming blue of peace,
from the bright yellow of joy,
to the deep green of growth.
each color represents an emotion, a phase, and a lesson. So sit back, relax, and immerse yourself in a spectacular performance as we, the students of St. Xavier's High School, proudly present before you
The Colors of Life.
And don't forget to put your maths book. Otherwise, your teacher will scold you, Abhi. Mom, just let me watch some reels. What, Abhi? We are getting late today. Mom, I am playing a mobile game. Abhi, leave your mobile and get ready for school. Mom, just let me finish this level. Otherwise, I will lose my game. You have completely gone mad. For God's sake, leave it. Otherwise, we'll miss your school bus. Hey Bhagwan, who discovered this mobile phone? Whole generation has lost in it. Mom. He's my God. I love mobile. And what about your studies? Who will do it? And how are you going to earn your livelihood? Mom, don't worry. AI will solve the problems. अभी तुम्हें मोबाइल की बड़ी लत लग गई है.
नजर के सामने जिगर के पास, नजर के सामने जिगर के पास कोई रहता है, वो हो तुम.
मैंने तुझको देखा, तेरी और दिल फेंका, परी तू है बन की, कहना है नजरों का. मैंने तुझको देखा, तेरी और दिल फेंका, परी तू है बन की, कहना है नजरों का. चांद को कॉम्प्लेक्स दिया है तेरे चेहरे ने, तेरी ब्यूटी का नशा है दिल को लगा छूने. चुराए तेरी इसलिए सनम तूने शेर चुराया तेरा इसलिए सनम तूने मुझे तो तेरी लत लग गई हमारा प्यार लत लग गई. मुझे तो तेरी लत लग गई हमारा प्यार लत लग गई. मुझे तो तेरी
Because of your game, we missed the bus. Mobile. Not getting ready soon. Just lost in screen. Here also, it is too much, Abhi. Mom, till next bus come, let me finish this next level.
बेटा, leave it. See around. Trees, roads, people around you. Why to see people? Boring subject. पेन ले लो, पेंसिल ले लो, किताबें ले लो, किताबें ले लो। मैडम जी, पेन, पेंसिल खरीद लो ना, हमारी कुछ कमाई हो जाएगी। नहीं बेटा, ये भाई साहब लिखते कहाँ है? मैम साहब, कोई किताब खरीद लो, मेरे पास सारी किताबें हैं। कलाम की अगन पंख, नेहरू की भारत के खोज और हैरी पॉटर की जादुई दुनिया। नहीं बेटा, ये भाई साहब है ना, सब कुछ मोबाइल में ही पढ़ लेते हैं, है ना अभी? पेन ले लो, पेंसिल ले लो, किताबें ले लो, किताबें ले लो।
ये आप लोग किताब विताब बेच रहे हो, मगर आप कभी स्कूल जाते हो क्या?
साहब जी, जाने का तो बहुत मन होता है,
मगर क्या?
मगर साहब, माँ बाप के पास पैसे नहीं हैं स्कूल फीस के लिए। अगर कमाने न जाए तो घर में दुकान पड़ जाता है। पेट के आगे कोई पहुंच सकता है क्या?
ये किताब लेकर तो निकल पड़े हो, कुछ पढ़ भी सकते हो क्या?
साहब, गरीबी बहुत चीजें सिखा देती है, फिर किताब क्या चीज है? चल रहे संघर्ष पर क्यों भुनभुनाए, है यही बेहतर नया रास्ता बनाए। बाजुओं में बादलों को तोलकर नाचता हूँ मोर पंख खोलकर। क्यों उकेरे वो पुरानी कल्पनाएं, है यही बेहतर नया रास्ता बनाए।
पाने की हो आस आस, कोई अरमा हो जो खास खास आशाएं, हर कोशिश में हो बार बार, करे दरियाओं को आर पार आशाएं। तूफानों को चीर के मंजिलों को छीन ले, आशाएं दिले जिंदगी, उम्मीदें हंसे अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी।
हे भगवान, why did you give me birth as a woman. So much work. हाय, चलो सुनंदा, काम पे लग जाओ.
Sunanda, बेटी, give me today's newspaper.
Yes, पापा. Today's paper. It means आज का 8th March का ना?
हाँ, of course, today's only.
Take it. Not wishing me.
सुनंदा, सुनंदा, कहाँ रह गई? प्लीज ब्रिंग अ कप ऑफ टी. अरे बाप रे, दिस माइग्रेन अनबेरेबल. तुम कुछ करो इसका.
Yes, mummy. I will give you a cup of tea. It will surely give you relief from your headache. Here it is.
Thanks, my dear daughter. Really, I feel good now.
Mom, do you know today is a special day?
No, today is what? Nothing special. Oh, now I remember.
Yes. Thanks, Mom. Today is my
Migraine today.
what?
Yes, now I remember. I took an appointment of the doctor. Thanks for reminding me.
Oh no. Mummy also doesn't remember my birthday. Who else would remember my birthday? Let me go to my young bestie. She surely wouldn't have forgotten my birthday. Hey bestie, what's up?
Yeah, Mom. Any work?
You know, today you are forgetting one thing.
No, Mom. Nothing.
8th March today.
So what, Mom?
Today, your mama's.
Oh no. Today is the last day for my project submission. Thanks, Mom.
Oh no, my own daughter. She does not remember my birthday. Whom should I ask to wish me? Oh yes, my hubby. He must remember my birthday.
Sunanda, where are you? I am getting late for the office. Please give me my lunch box.
Yes, I am bringing it. Here it is. Do you know? You are forgetting one thing today.
Oh my God, my file.
Take it. My dear hubby, today is 8th March. 8th March today.
Oh, now I got. This time salary will be late. You have to manage for this month.
That I am doing every month.
Okay. Thank you very much. Bye. See you, dear.
Arey yaar, my hubby also doesn't remember my birthday. Nobody cares for me. I am the one who keep remembering everything for everyone. I have become a reminder, not a person.
सबसे प्यारा होता है एक दिन, तो दुआएं दे रहा दिल तुमको आज एक दिन. I wish you happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. I wish you happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
अरे बेटी, how can I forget you? You are the one who take care of me. सुबह की चाय से लेके रात के कायम चूरन तक. I am blessed to have a daughter-in-law like you.
Yes, you are correct. She is not daughter-in-law, but only daughter for us. She takes all the responsibilities after me. I know for a woman it is difficult to make everyone happy, but you do this work very smoothly. और सुनंदा बेटी, तुम तो हमारे घर की लक्ष्मी हो, लक्ष्मी.
Yes, Daddy. My mom is really a cool woman. How can I forget you, Mom? How you have supported me in my difficult situation. How you have guided me in every condition.
Then why did you all behave like strangers in the morning?
That was all planned. We wanted to surprise you. Otherwise, how? How can I forget you? When I didn't have proper job, you sacrificed so many birthdays. In my tough days, you stood behind me without any expectation. Really, वही सच्ची औरत होती है जो परिस्थिति से भागे ना और फैमिली मेंबर्स का साथ दे. And I am proudly saying that you are that woman.
बस बस बहुत हो गई तारीफें।
और इस शुभ अवसर पर मैं कुछ लाइन सुनाना चाहता हूँ। हे नारी, तू जाग और पहचान खुद को। ना ही तू अबला है, ना ही तू बेचारी है। अगर तू ठान ले तो तू दुनिया पे भारी है।
हस्ती तेरी विशाल हो, कुदरत का तू कमाल। हे मनमोहिनी तेरी अदा, तुझे जब देख ले तो फिर गटा भर से झर 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 नाच चमक चमक वो बिजली दीवानी है। बेमिसाल तू कोरी कोरी अनछुई, तुझ में है कुदरत सारी खोई, तुझ में है कुदरत सारी खोई खोई, तुझ में है कुदरत सारी खोई खोई। मिट्टी की है मूरत तेरी, मासूमियत फितरत तेरी, ये सादापन ये भोलापन, तू महकी महकी तू लहकी लहकी तू चली चली हर गली गली तू हवा के ढंग संग सनन सनन तेरा अंग अंग जैसे जलता रंग, कोई लहर लहर चली ठहर ठहर पानी का मेल, तेरे तन बदन झर 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 अंगारे जैसा, तेरा रोम रोम है दहका दहका अग्नि का खेल, तू अगन अगन।
मेरे होठों से धुआंधार निकलती है जो बोली, जैसे जैसे बंदूक की गोली। मेरे तेवर में है तहजीब की रंगीन रंगोली, जैसे जैसे हो ईद में होली। मेरे होठों से धुआंधार निकलती है जो बोली, जैसे जैसे बंदूक की गोली। मेरे तेवर में है तहजीब की रंगीन रंगोली, जैसे जैसे हो ईद में होली। मेरे जीवन की दशा थोड़ा रस्तों का नशा, थोड़ी मंजिल की प्यास है, बाकी सब फर्स्ट क्लास है, बाकी सब फर्स्ट क्लास है, बाकी सब फर्स्ट क्लास है, कसम से बाकी सब फर्स्ट क्लास है।
थपथपा तू जरा लेजी इरादों की तो सुस्तियां छुड़ा ले, दबदबा है तेरा राहों की मुश्किलों से कुश्तियां लड़ा ले। जो होगा सो होगा, होने ते ना घबराना, तू अपनी कोशिश में कंजूसी ना कर जाना। किस्मत की लहरों पे यारा लेके निकल तो शिकारा, चमकेगा तेरा भी सितारा। जगा ले तू जगा ले जज्बा, जगा ले तू जगा ले जज्बा, जगा ले तू जगा ले जज्बा, जगा ले तू जगा ले जज्बा।
बेटा रिया, देखो तो दरवाजे पे कौन है। ओके मॉम।
Come, my friend Rakesh. After so many years.
Yes, my brother. How are you all?
We all are fit and fine.
ओहो, बाप रे, what a noisy family.
By the way, Sunanda, he is my childhood friend. एकदम पुराना दोस्त है।
हाँ भाभी, दोस्त पुराना हूँ, बट विचार मेरे मॉडर्न है।
Yes, we live in modern ways. Our lifestyle is ultra modern. Okay, come. I
I will give you an intro of my family. He is my loving hubby. She is my obliged daughter. He is my papa and she is my mummy.
What about your naughty son, Abhi?
Arey, he has gone to his uncle's house.
By the way, don't you think you have a large family?
Arey, it is small family only.
Oh, come on yaar. We are only 3. हम दो और हमारा एक. We believe in small family.
Yes, yaar. In joint family, many problem occurs.
In each and everything, we have to adjust.
Bina, that is the exact way to live life.
Sunanda, where are my glasses?
Papa, it is in your pocket only. Kya, Papa?
In this age, old people always forget things. What?
And we have to find out it. सबके साथ रहो तो यही प्रॉब्लम. अपना भी काम करो और दूसरे का.
Of course, Bina. We should do it. After all, family first.
Sunanda, today will you prepare a light food for me since I am suffering from acidity?
Of course, Mom. Why not?
In joint family, this is another problem. सबकी चाय अलग, सबका खाना अलग. Every time. Is in kitchen only. तौबा तौबा.
हाँ, और सबके खर्चे भी अलग, है ना अमित? Family is our wealth. What else we need in life?
No yaar. I send my in-laws in the village who will take up their responsibilities.
हाँ, और आज इस महंगाई के जमाने में माँ बाप के खर्चे कौन उठाए?
Come with me, my sister. Let us share our talks. Oh, hello. I don't share anything with anyone. Privacy means privacy. But in our joint family, we don't keep anything secret. When we take lunch and dinner, we share everything. Talks, food, love and feelings. Yes, in joint family, it happens sharing and caring. I don't need to share anything with anyone. I'm the princess of my lonely world.
Excuse me. Hello, sir. Yes, sir. What? No, sir. No problem, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, sir. Most welcome. Okay, sir. Bye, sir. Bye. What happened, Rakesh? Is there anything serious? Yes, yaar. My boss has called me and he told me that he's coming for a dinner.
So what? Let him come. Dinner is ready.
Actually, my boss is going to give me promotion and I have invited him for dinner long back. But he put one condition for promotion. What is that one condition, Rakesh? Arey, he wants to meet my family members together.
As you know, we live separately from our parents. We have sent them in a village. What to do now?
Beta, do one thing. You call him here. We will be your parents. And I will be your brother. Simple. Hello, Rakesh. Good evening. Good evening, sir. Please be comfortable here. Wow, looking nice to see you all together. Sir, they are my parents and he is my brother and our family. हम सब साथ में रहते हैं. Very nice. I am happy to see your joint family. Nowadays, it has become rare.
Sir, did you like our dinner?
Of course, it's nice and delicious.
मैंने और मेरी जेठानी ने मिल के तैयार किया है. हम सब काम मिल के करते हैं, है ना सुनंदा?
हाँ हाँ, और फैमिली मेंबर्स को ना एक दूसरे के काम करने ही चाहिए, है ना बीना?
एक साथ रहते हो तो खर्चे भी होते होंगे ना? अरे बॉस, जब पूरी फैमिली साथ हो तो क्या खर्चे और क्या चर्चे, है ना अमित? Of course, my brother. Sometimes in family, misunderstanding occurs. मनमुटाव, झगड़े भी होते होंगे ना? We are there to solve the problems. Parents do not create problem, but they solve the problem. है ना राकेश? Okay, Rakesh. Your promotion is confirmed. Congratulations. Accept your promotion. You are going to be senior manager of our company.
Hello Rakesh, what happened now? Sir, sorry. I cannot accept this promotion. I don't deserve this promotion. But why? I am happy to see your joint family. Sir, let me confess something. This is not my family. And they are not my parents. And he's just my friend, not my brother. Sir, मैंने आपसे झूठ बोला. In fact, my parents are living separately and I'm not taking care of them.
But Rakesh, now I understood the value of togetherness of family.
सर, मुझे मेरी गलती समझ में आ गई है और मैं आज ही उस गलती को सुधारूंगा और अपने माँ बाप को अपने घर लाके उनकी अच्छे से सेवा करूंगा. राकेश, तुमने मुझसे झूठ बोला. I personally hate liars, but I like your honesty. You truly deserve this promotion.
राकेश माय फ्रेंड, अकेले रहने में सुकून और शांति तो मिलती है, मगर जिंदगी का मजा तो सबके साथ ही आता है.
एक दूसरे से करते हैं प्यार हम, एक दूसरे के लिए बेकरार हम. एक दूसरे से करते हैं प्यार हम, एक दूसरे के लिए बेकरार हम. एक दूसरे के वास्ते मरना पड़े तो हैं तैयार हम, हैं तैयार हम. एक दूसरे से करते हैं प्यार हम, एक दूसरे के लिए बेकरार हम. एक दूसरे के वास्ते मरना पड़े तो है तैयार हम, है तैयार हम.
हंसती खेलती मस्ती से भरी दुनिया प्यार की, दुनिया ख्वाब की. नासा में पली मिस्री की डली, नासा में पली मिस्री की डली. It's my family, it's my family, it's my family.
हंसती खेलती मस्ती से भरी दुनिया प्यार की, दुनिया ख्वाब की. नाज़ों में पली मिस्री की डली, नाज़ों में पली मिस्री की डली. It's my family, it's my family, it's my family.
ओ चिंता करके क्या पाएगा, मरने से पहले मर जाएगा. ओ चिंता करके क्या पाएगा, मरने से पहले मर जाएगा. सुनिए गाना काम आएगा, बस खाने पीले जीले क्योंकि ये जिंदगी है शान. अरे रे पगले फिकर नॉट, अरे रे पगले फिकर नॉट, अरे रे पगले फिकर नॉट, अरे रे पगले फिकर नॉट. जो भी होगा होने दे, होने दे, होने दे. अरे पगले फिकर नॉट. रैबिट बन के कर न सके जो कछुआ बन के कर जाएगा. रैबिट बन के कर न सके जो कछुआ बन के कर जाएगा. सुनिए गाना काम आएगा, बस खाने का पीने का जीने का बोले तो जिंदगी है शान. अरे रे पगले फिकर नॉट, अरे रे पगले फिकर नॉट, अरे रे पगले फिकर नॉट, अरे रे पगले
हमें चाहिए इंक्रीमेंट,
इंक्रीमेंट, इंक्रीमेंट,
हमें चाहिए इंक्रीमेंट,
इंक्रीमेंट, इंक्रीमेंट।
देखो बॉयज, मैम जैसे ही ऑफिस में एंटर करेगी हम लोग जोर जोर से नारे लगाएंगे।
यस बॉयज, हमें किसी भी हालत में इस बार अपना इंक्रीमेंट बढ़ाना ही पड़ेगा। उड़ी बाबा, इंक्रीमेंट के नाम पे सोन पापड़ी पकड़ा देता है। अरे डरने की क्या है बात जब आंटी है हमारे साथ।
बॉयज 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 बॉयज,
क्या?
ब्यूटी मैम आ गई।
चलो चलो नारे लगाते हैं।
हमें करती रोस्ट है,
ब्यूटी मैम घोस्ट है।
जिंदगी में रस नहीं,
ब्यूटी मैम बॉस नहीं।
Boys, my name is Beauty. I am on duty.
मैम आप मुद्दे से भटक रहे हो। इंक्रीमेंट इंक्रीमेंट।
Oh my God, boys! What is this?
मैम 3 साल से आपने हमारा इंक्रीमेंट रोक के रखा है।
Only for increment? You people are doing a melodrama? This is not fair.
Yes, boys. This is not fair. Oh my God. Oh my God, ma'am. See the poster. Oh Sri, तू ऑफिस मत आना, मत आना, मत आना।
No, boys. After all, I am your boss. Let's go back to the work and make the PPT because our office is going to sign the big project.
No ma'am, first you have to decide our increment, then we go back to the work.
No, my children. This is not right.
Yes, boys. बॉस हमारी माँ है।
हाँ बच्चों, जिद छोड़ दो, पैसे के पीछे मत भागो। पैसा क्या है? बस मोह और माया है।
तो बताइए मैम, ये शुगर बॉब की लिपस्टिक क्या है? उड़ी बाबा, आप जो ये बंगला के ऊपर बंगला बनाते हो वो क्या है?
बच्चों, झगड़ा मत करो, मत करो। झगड़ा? कौन कर रहा है ये झगड़ा? हे भगवान, मैं तो सो गई थी। पता नहीं इसने मुझे कितना बुरा भला बोल दिया होगा।
अरे आंटी, मुद्दे पे आओ, मुद्दे पे। आंटी, सोन पापड़ी बट नो इंक्रीमेंट।
सोन पापड़ी? आई हेट सोन पापड़ी। इस बूढ़े पेट में सोन पापड़ी कहाँ पती है? आई लव मंचूरियन नूडल्स। बॉयज बॉयज बॉयज, हु इज शी?
अरे ये आंटी है, आंटी। उड़ी बाबा, आप लड़कियों को क्या लगता है आप हमेशा हम लड़कों से जीत जाओगे क्या? इसीलिए तो आंटी को बुलाया है। हाँ, आंटी हमारे ऑपोजिशन पार्टी की लीडर बनेगी। लंच ब्रेक हो गया क्या? अरे नहीं हुआ।
मगर मैंने तो सुना है इस तरह की स्ट्राइक में लोग हंगर स्ट्राइक करते हैं। आप लोग नहीं करोगे क्या?
अरे ऐसे कैसे नहीं करेंगे? मेरा बेटा ज्वाला सिंह है ना, वो करेगा हंगर स्ट्राइक।
ओह नो। ओह यस। चलो चलो खाने चलते हैं।
मुझे तो लगता है रोशनी, अब तो मुझे इंक्रीमेंट देना ही पड़ेगा। हाय रे मेरे शुगर पॉप की लिपस्टिक। बोल बोल, मैं कैसे रहूंगी तेरे बिना?
डोंट वरी मैम, डरने की क्या है बात जब रोशनी है आपके साथ। मैम आपको पता है इन्हें तो ड्राइंग का ड भी नहीं आता। मैम आप इन्हें कहिए आपका एक सुंदर सा पिक्चर बना दे। आई एम 100% श्योर दे ऑल आर ड्रीम बिट्स। इट मींस नो पिक्चर नो इंक्रीमेंट।
Oh yes?
Yes ma'am.
Okay boys, I agree with you. I will give you 30% increment.
Hooray!
But I have one condition.
Condition? What condition?
You have to draw my beautiful picture.
ड्राइंग? ड्राइंग तो हमारे दाएं और बाएं हाथ का काम है।
Are you ready boys?
Yes ma'am.
Ma'am, just show me your face.
Do like this? Yes, I got an idea.
Ma'am, you and Roshni ma'am, please come together and give a pose. I also got an idea.
Ma'am, just hold your sugar pop lipstick. Show your pout. I also got an idea.
Boys, are you ready with your picture?
Yes, ma'am.
Parth, show me a picture.
Oh, yes, ma'am. Dan, dan, dan.
Oh, what is this?
अरे मैडम आपका पिक्चर.
But where is my face?
मैम आप इतनी शर्माई कि आपका फेस ही नहीं दिखा.
शर्माना और मैं शर्माना my foot. Your increment cancelled.
Oh no!
Rudra, show me a picture.
Oh, yes, ma'am. Dan, dan, dan.
Oh, what is this?
अरे मैम, नेचर.
हाँ, मगर मैं कहाँ पे हूँ?
मैम ऊपर देखिए, ऊपर.
कहाँ पे? हाँ, मगर मैं कहाँ पे हूँ?
अरे मैम, वही तो आप हो. ये एलिफेंट आप हो और ये जिराफ रोशनी मैम है.
Is this your answer? Your increment cancelled.
Oh no!
Meg, show me a picture.
Oh yes, ma'am. Dan, dan, dan.
Oh my God! What is this?
मैम फोकस शुगर पॉप कितना निखर के आया है.
शुगर पॉप और वो भी निखर के आया है. शुगर पॉप my foot. Your increment cancelled.
Oh no!
उड़ी बाबा, ऐसे कैसे इंक्रीमेंट कैंसिल करेगा?
अरे हाँ, इंक्रीमेंट कैंसिल करेगा तो हम तो मर ही जाएगा ना.
नो. मरना कैंसल वरना खामखा मुझे 13 दिन का छुट्टी देना पड़ेगा ना.
हे भगवान, ये तो शांति से मरने भी नहीं देंगे.
इंक्रीमेंट नहीं देगा.
नहीं देगा.
तो रुको.
आंटी
झगड़ा? कौन कर रहा है ये झगड़ा? हे भगवान, मैं तो सो गई थी. पता नहीं इसने मुझे कितना बुरा भला बोल दिया होगा. आंटी शांति देवी तो मेरा नाम है, पर लगता है इन लोगों को शांति का मतलब पता ही नहीं है. मैं जहाँ जहाँ जाती हूँ लोग वहाँ से भाग जाते हैं.
अरे आंटी मुद्दे पे आओ, मुद्दे पे. आंटी सोन पापड़ी बट नो इंक्रीमेंट.
सोन पापड़ी? आई हेट सोन पापड़ी. इस बूढ़े पेट में सोन पापड़ी कहाँ पचती है? आई लव मंचूरियन नूडल्स.
लंच ब्रेक हो गया क्या?
अरे नहीं हुआ.
मुझे तो लगता है रोशनी, अब तो मुझे इंक्रीमेंट देना ही पड़ेगा. हाय रे मेरे शुगर पॉप की लिपस्टिक. बोल मैं कैसे रहूंगी तेरे बिना?
डोंट वरी मैम, डरने की क्या है बात जब रोशनी है आपके साथ. मैम आपको पता है इन्हें तो जीके का जवाब ही नहीं आता. मैम आप एक काम कीजिए, इन्हें जीके के क्वेश्चन पूछिए, हम भी तो देखें इन्हें कितना आता है. इट मीन्स नो जीके नो इंक्रीमेंट.
Oh yes
मैम.
Okay boys, I agree with you. I will give you 30% increment.
Hooray!
But I have one condition.
Condition? What condition?
I will ask you some GK question. Are you ready boys?
Yes ma'am.
तो बताइए दास बाबू, चंगेज़खान भारत कब आया था?
मैम आया ही नहीं था.
आया था.
ओके मैम, याद आ गया. मैम चंगेज़खान भारत आ रहा था, तभी तो रास्ते में गंगा नदी आया. बेचारा चंगेज़खान उसे तो स्विमिंग ही नहीं आती थी। वो नदी में बहता गया और बहते बहते बांग्लादेश पहुंच गया। इसीलिए तो चंगेस्तान भारत आया भी था और नहीं भी आया था।
Is this the answer? Your increment cancelled.
ओह नो।
तो बताइए दैविक, एक हाथी एक मोमोज एक दिन में खाता है, तो 2 हाथी एक मोमोज कितने दिन में खाएंगे?
मैम खाएंगे ही नहीं।
मगर क्यों नहीं खाएंगे?
मैम पहला हाथी मोमोज खा के हॉस्पिटलाइज हो गया है, इसीलिए तो दूसरा हाथी मोमोज खाएगा ही नहीं।
Is this the answer? Your increment cancelled.
ओह नो।
बस
क्या?
सिग्नल पे होली के लिए गरीबों को कंबल बांटे जा रहे हैं। चलो कंबल लेने चलते।
अरे पर वो गरीबों के लिए है, तुम लोग कहाँ गरीब हो?
मैम, इस दुनिया में आज हर एक मिडिल क्लास आदमी गरीब है।
मगर तुम्हारे आंदोलन का क्या हुआ?
मैम, आलू प्याज का इंक्रीमेंट हो गया, लेकिन आपने हमारा इंक्रीमेंट बढ़ाया ही नहीं। चलो कंबल लेने चलते हैं।
लंच ब्रेक हुआ कि नहीं?
अरे नहीं हुआ। अरे देता हूँ 30% इंक्रीमेंट देता हूँ। नहीं 40% इंक्रीमेंट देता हूँ। नहीं 100% इंक्रीमेंट देता हूँ। इंक्रीमेंट।
तुम गरीबों के सुनो, वो तुम्हारा सुने।